Hey everyone, my name is Jordan Yankovich, and welcome to my course, Building an Elasticsearch Cluster with Amazon Elasticsearch Service on AWS. I am an IT consultant and cloud architect located in Dallas, Texas. Elasticsearch is a state-of-the-art search engine for schema-free JSON documents with an HTTP-based interface. In this course, we're going to learn how to use Elasticsearch and its related services in AWS. Some of the major topics we will include are uploading and searching data, visualizing Elasticsearch data and creating dashboards with Kibana, and how to use related AWS services with Elasticsearch to create search-based applications. By the end of this course, you will know how to create a fully functional custom search application using Elasticsearch in AWS. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Elasticsearch with the Building an Elasticsearch Cluster with Amazon Elasticsearch Service on AWS course here at Pluralsight.